Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file for stimulus checks. First, understand the eligibility criteria to ensure you qualify for these important payments. Next, gather all your necessary tax documents, such as previous tax returns, which will be crucial for the filing process. Finally, I'll guide you through the steps to claim any missing payments you might be owed, making sure you receive your full benefit. Generally, most United States citizens and resident aliens were eligible for stimulus payments. This also included qualifying dependents, who could increase the total amount received by a household. To properly file, you will need your Social Security number or individual taxpayer identification number, along with income information from your tax returns to determine your specific payment amount. To claim any missing stimulus payments, you'll typically use Form 1040 or Form 1040-SR to claim a recovery rebate credit. It's essential to accurately calculate the credit amount based on your income and family size, as this directly impacts your refund. If you previously filed and realized you made an error, you can file an amended return to correct the information and claim your rightful payment. Always keep meticulous records of all your tax filings and any correspondence with the IRS. This practice can save you time and stress if questions arise later. If your situation is complex or you're unsure about any steps, consulting a qualified tax professional can provide invaluable guidance. Remember to check the description below for the link to grab your Little Trees Black Ice Air Freshener and discover other great deals we've found just for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.